you guys? I hope you are ready for this video because it's been long overdue. I've had this wig for a minute now. It is from my Baddie on a Budget collection series. If you've been following me and been a subscriber since last year, you definitely know what I'm talking about. I have some wigs in my gallery, videos on those wigs. More affordable wigs outside of my brand. As y'all know that I do sell wigs, but those are higher price wigs because that's virgin hair. These are synthetic hair wigs, okay? They have human hair in it, but it's synthetic overall. Okay, so we're gonna get right into it. This wig today that I will be reviewing is, I'm sorry, this light is kind of messed up here. It's called Ashani, and it is by Outre. And yes, I ordered this from wigs. No, I actually ordered this from samsbeauty.com. I'm going to leave the link down below in the description. And this is in a 1B. They have different colors, of course, as you can see down here below. They have all those different colors. You can go on the website, put in Outre, Ashani, but I'm going to put the link down below so you can go straight to it if you would like to buy this wig. Now, if I'm not mistaken, this wig would ran me about $20. So yeah, definitely go and catch this sale. You can part it in the middle. You can do it in the middle or on the side. But today, since I have a dinner to go to, I'm going to be showing you guys how to go ahead and get ready quickly. I already did my eyebrows and my lashes, as you can see. So that's pretty much all I do. So my hair is not braided right now, guys, as you can see. It's not braided, but of course I'm gonna get it braided soon. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this cap on and show you guys how I install this wig. So of course we're gonna start with this. I'm gonna go ahead and get right into it. As far as me applying it to my head, I'm going to use some of my Got2b spray, and I'm gonna also be using a blow dryer to help me lay the lace part down. But right now I'm gonna show you guys, so just stay tuned. And here is the wig. I'm sorry, I've already been wearing it, so I've worn it before, so it's not new out the box. But it does have 2 combs in the front, and then it has I think, yeah, 1 comb in the back. So as you can see, there's the parting space. So this is kind of like a side part, but you can do it in the middle if you know how to finesse wigs. It has straps on the side, adjustable straps. So yeah, I've already cut the lace off, which was like from here to here. Yeah, so watch me slay. Okay guys, so that is it for this wig tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As you can see, the things that I did use, which is concealer, got to be spray, and a blow dryer, and a baby hair brush. That's all you need, and you're good to go. Like I said, you can fix it up how you want it. So just because something is cheap doesn't mean you can be cute. So yeah, you know, especially if you know you just need it for a couple of nights or one night, you know, throw it on and go. Fix it up, you know, how you want it to be fixed. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll know when I post videos, because I'm going to try to be more consistent. I do have more videos coming out, so you guys, I'm so excited to have you, for all of the new subscribers. And I do want to thank everybody who's already, you know, subscribed and who've been watching my videos and commenting and, you know, just supporting me, because it's really tough having a channel and, you know, you're not getting many views or many subscribers. But hey, I'm making it, and every day is a good day. So hey, make sure you stay tuned to my channel.